In this video, I'll show you how to install Grammarly and how it works. This tool is very useful for content writers, students, bloggers, and freelancers to improve their grammar and writing. First is open Google. Search for Grammarly. In the search bar, type Grammarly. I'll be sharing the link in the comment section so you can easily access it. Create a new account. Once you open the website, click sign up, create a new account using your Gmail, then sign in. Open Grammarly dashboard. After signing in, you will see Grammarly dashboard on the left side. You will see options like docs, version history, account, apps. Click on app. In there, 4 options are there: Grammarly for Windows, Grammarly for Chrome, and Grammarly for iPhone, and Grammarly for Android. But for us, we are going to work on computers, so we'll install Windows. Once downloaded and installed on your computer, it will take around 5 to 6 minutes. So now the Grammarly is ready. So on the right hand side, you will see a Grammarly icon on the screen. Now when you open a file, Grammarly will automatically check your spelling, grammar, and writing clarity. So I'll be demonstrating Grammarly on Microsoft Word. So once Grammarly installed, but before we start proofreading, we'll go to setting. We'll customize few settings. Okay, so if you want to change language, okay, so there are 4 options of languages: American English, British English, Indian English, Australian, and Canadian. So for us, we mostly works on American English or British English, but right now I'm keeping Indian English. Started pinpointing my mistakes. So there's a punctuation error, there's a grammar error of patient, there should be patience, another grammar error. Then here they have highlighted in yellow, so that indicates you need to do rephrasing. Okay, but it's okay if you don't clear that thing, you can ignore them. For most beginners, the free version of Grammarly is more than enough to correct basic grammar, spelling, and punctuation. Okay, so now here they have pinpoint out remineralize. That is correct, but Grammarly may suggest it as remineralize only Z instead of Z. It should be S because we have chosen Indian English. So always remember, Grammarly tools are helpful, but you should still review the suggestion before accepting them. Now we'll move forward with working on Grammarly dashboard. Let's work on Grammarly dashboard. Grammarly has many useful options, so let's quickly explore them. Now open new doc, simply copy and paste your content into the document. Once you paste your text, Grammarly will start evaluating your writing automatically. So same grammar mistake, punctuation, and spelling errors in sentence clarity has been suggested. They have suggested the writing quality is 65, so that is a good number. Okay, and then you can humanize it. There are various options for humanizing also. I'm using everyday voice because this is for layman people, so I'll make it everyday voice. Then okay. For humanizing is mostly needed for people who is being using ChatGPT or AI tools. So for people who are just working on their own humanization is not required, but still you can take suggestion. And Grammarly also have option like paraphrasing, citation finder. For citation, it's a paid version, so we won't be using that. I'll be suggesting you some free version for citation, even plagiarism checker. That also I'll be sharing the tools in upcoming videos.